If you died on these 8 planets, this is how it would happen. Number 8. Jupiter. If you were to die on Jupiter, your body would be utterly crushed by the intense pressure more than 1,000 times greater than Earth's pressure. You'd find it hard to breathe as you are being crushed, because Jupiter has no solid surface. And you'd be met with an extremely hostile environment of crushing pressures and temperatures as you get closer and closer to its core. No. 7. Mercury. On the other hand, if you were to die on Mercury, which is the planet closest to the Sun, you would be met with temperatures as high as 427 degrees Celsius, that's 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Your body would literally burn to a crisp in a matter of seconds. Number 6. Venus. Next up is Venus, another planet with extremely high temperatures, but not as high as Mercury. However, what makes Venus a truly terrifying planet is its extremely dense atmosphere. If you were to die on Venus, your body would be crushed under a massive weight of about 90 times the Earth's atmospheric pressure. It's like being at the bottom of a very deep ocean, except there's no water. The temperature on Venus is hot enough to melt lead, so if you were to die on Venus, your body would literally be cooked alive. Number 5. Mars. If you were to die on Mars, your body would be exposed to a deadly dose of radiation. Mars has no active molten core, which means that there's no magnetosphere to protect its surface from harmful solar winds. This means that if you were to die on Mars, your body would be exposed to high levels of radiation, which would eventually cause you to die. Number 4. Saturn. If you were to die on Saturn, your body would be ripped apart by its powerful rings. Saturn's rings are made up of ice and rock, and they extend for thousands of kilometers. If you were to die on Saturn, your body would be met with a deadly hail of ice particles and rock fragments that would tear your body apart. No. 3. Neptune. If you were to die on Neptune, your body would freeze solid. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, and so it's extremely cold. In fact, temperatures on Neptune can reach as low as 224 degrees Celsius, or 73 degrees Fahrenheit. If you were to die on Neptune, your body would freeze solid in a matter of seconds. Number 2. Uranus. Similar to Neptune, Uranus is also an ice giant, and it's also extremely cold. In fact, temperatures on Uranus can reach as low as 224 degrees Celsius, or 73 degrees Fahrenheit. If you were to die on Uranus, your body would freeze solid in a matter of seconds. What makes Uranus so unique is that it rotates on its side, which means that there's almost no atmosphere to speak of. If you were to die on Uranus, your body would simply freeze in a vacuum, which would preserve it almost perfectly. Number 1. Pluto. If you were to die on Pluto, your body would be met with temperatures as low as 230 degrees Celsius, or 24 degrees Fahrenheit. That's even colder than Neptune and Uranus. In fact, Pluto is so cold that if you were to die there, your body would freeze in a matter of seconds, and then it would become part of the ice cube that is Pluto. So if you found this video interesting, don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. We've made similar videos about what would happen if you were to fall into a black hole or get frozen in time. Take a look. Thanks for watching. See you next time.